everybody, Tyler with Thrifty 13 Reselling, and today I'm going to show you how to use a box resizer. Yes, there is such a thing, and this is what it looks like. It's just got a sliding wheel here, and then it's got a little tooth spinny wheel thing on that side. And the purpose of it is when you've got a situation like this, we've got a suitcase that we're packing up, and in this case we got lucky, we had a box that was just the right size the other ways around, so I won't have to show you that, but we need to shrink this down smaller so we don't have all this extra space and we don't have to use a bunch of packing material. So how you do this, you fold the edges of the box down, you're going to take this little hook part and put it right on the edge right here, hold it down flat, and then I'm going to let this slide down to about the top of my item. I'm going to lock this screw down, and that'll keep it the same all the way around the outside. So I'm just going to push with this handle, and you'll see it kind of makes a little bit of a score along there. You definitely don't want to go all the way through. All you're doing is weakening the cardboard, basically. I'm going to repeat that for all of the edges. You can go back over it once or twice if you feel like you didn't get it. It's not an exact art, but then I already did that side. So now we need to be able to fold these in, and to do that I need to cut the corners. Got our little safety knife here. And I'm just starting at where I scored the line and going straight into the corner and pulling up. Safety knife. And never put your hand on the other side where you're cutting. Ask Nora what happens when you do that.
Yeah, it doesn't feel very good. Doesn't look very good either.
So now that we've got those corners cut and the line scored, you just push over. It makes a nice little fold right there where you cut it. Just over here. And if you just have too much extra, I think we're going to be able to make that work. But if you have too much, you can just take your knife and cut there, or if you want to get real pretty with it, you can put the lids down and make it cut right in the middle. That way they meet up. It's whatever. We're going to see if we can make it work. I don't think we can, so I am going to cut it. This is where you don't want to cut yourself. I'm going to try just going right on this edge here. Another one on this edge. It'll fold over. A little bit overlap there.
Now the box is like half the size.
And now it's like half the size. And it's nice and pretty. You don't have real wavy edges where you tried doing it by hand. And they're actually pretty cheap. We will leave a link to where we can pick up one of these. I think they're only like 10 or 15 bucks, something like that. Very well worth it if you're going to be doing this a lot, and it'll pay for itself in shipping costs in no time. So make sure to like the page and hit subscribe and hit the bell, and wait, this isn't YouTube, so just like the page and let us know what you think if you like seeing tutorials like this, and we'll see you next time.